Okay, I have launched my Google Sheet, all right, and I have made it larger. Okay, so you can see I make it larger so it's easier for you to see what's going on the screen. All right, so far nothing much. I just type my name here. Okay, so what we want to do today is basically to get familiar with two particular function, all right, which I'm going to place side by side over here, all right, next to this data, assuming this is data. All right. So of course to point to the C2 and C3, I will use the equal. All right. Then I will call the function which is upper. You can see here, and it basically convert the specific string to an uppercase. All right, and of course I'll point it to this guy over here, and done. All right, okay, and you can see basically whatever is uppercase, you will leave it by itself, but you will convert anything that is lowercase to uppercase. All right, over here. Okay, now the opposite of this, of course, I think you can guess by now, is this lower. All right, okay, so well, okay, let me just hit enter for this, and you can see the same, the opposite, all right, occur. All right, this time of course whatever that is lowercase will remain lowercase, and whatever that is uppercase convert to a lowercase. Now of course you may ask the question, when do you actually need this? Basically this is more towards an intermediate step, just before you actually port it over to your database, or you import into your database. Okay, sometimes the database, you want everything to be in uppercase, all right, to be stored as uppercase. Okay, but the data could be relatively messy. Right, so you can just instead of writing a program to do that, or if you do not have a programmer, in-house programmer for you, you can actually use this method.